Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Imad Khan. I hope you all are doing good. So, like we are in admin series, we are learning and exploring the admin series. So, today we are going to discuss one of the topic of data management, that is data import using data import wizard as well as data loader. So what is data import? Data can be easily imported into Salesforce through various tools provided by Salesforce. Like its supported sources include any program that can save data in the comma delimited text format, that is CSV file. There are three operations possible while importing the data in Salesforce. Like we can insert the data, we can update the data also, as well as we can upsert the data in Salesforce. So we have two methods. Like first is we can use the data import wizard for importing the data in Salesforce, and one of the and after that we are going to see the data loader also. So let me just first start from the data import wizard. Data import wizard in Salesforce is a user friendly tool designed to help user import data into their Salesforce organization, especially for small to medium sized data import. Like it can import up to 50,000 record at a time, not more than 50,000 we can import using data import wizard. It have also multiple limitation, I will tell you while demoing you. It is suitable for importing record like leads, account, contacts, and other standard or custom object. Let me just directly jump on demo so that you can understand better. For importing the data to Salesforce using data import wizard, first step is prepare your data. So for preparing the data, I'm using Excel to create a dummy data. So let's just create it. Let me just firstly edit object so that you can find the field name. The field is phone. Phone description. One field is description. One field is active. Description. So let me just create a dummy data. To carry 555. Yes. Yes. Inserted. Insert. Insert. Like we are firstly going to do insert operation. Insert. So our file is, let me just save this file. This is a dummy file that I am going to import in our Salesforce, or it must be CSV file. Our limitation is test insert, test insert CSV. This file should be in the CSV format so that so you will be able to import that file. I'm putting in download format. So our file is successfully created, saved in our local system. Now we are going for importing the data in your Salesforce or in quick find, search for import data or data import. In the data import wizard, after that just click on the launch wizard. Like we are inserting the data in account object, we have to select the object, click on accounts. So we are inserting the data. So here you can see that we can perform three operation: insert, update, and upsert. Click on add new records. After that, select your CSV file that we have prepared. Click on open. Click on next. Before importing the data in Salesforce, we have to make sure that every field is mapped. If any field is unmapped, just click on map and map that particular field. Active map. After that, just click on next. Start import. Okay. You can see that our pre-record is successfully processed and no record is failed. We can verify that also. Go to your UI under account object. You can see that Joe mark that is in our file. Let me just verify that once again also while opening that particular file. Like here you can see that Mark Joe Harry and their phone number is 1234 and description is insert. So here you can see that Mark, and you can also verify their description is insert. All this data is comes in Salesforce from import. Now let me just change the file. Like for updating the data, we have to we have to give the ID, because in which data you are updating, how Salesforce know. So for this we have to give their ID. Like here you can see that account ID is record ID for every record. We will discuss more about the record ID in our future videos. For being time, just create one more field, that is ID. Put put all the record ID. We just put also the few Harry. We have to put the Harry ID, and you. You. Here, like in working while projects, we do not put the ID mention. We do not put the ID hard coded because when we use data loader, I will show you how to put the ID because it automatically gives all ID. Save that particular file. Just update. Just update. Save. After that, go to the data wizard. To the data wizard. Data import wizard. And update the and update it and it's let me just change the description also update so that we can verify our data is updated or not. Update, update, update. That particular file. Now update the data using data import accounts and lead, and here we have to select update existing data. We have to update the data by name, so here you select match content by name. Update the existing account information, here we have to select this checkbox. After that just select your CSV file, just update, click on next and map that unmapped file that is active and map to field. After that just click on next, restart import, click OK. You can see that our record is processed and there is no failed record is there. Our record is successfully processed. Now we can verify that. Do the hard refresh once. After that you can verify that. Let me just open that particular account of Harry or Joe. You can see that their description is updated. Their description is successfully updated. You can also do using, you can also verify the another record that is Joe. All everyone description is updated. Now the third operation is upsert. You can do that both also, like while inserting the data, you can also do the update operation using data import also. Let me just do that quickly also, like here click one more record that is nil. Give the number no insert. We just change the description also upsert. So we can verify that our data is updated as well as inserted using upgrade upsert operation. Save this file. Just upsert. Upsert. Save the file. Now go to the data import wizard. This is already open. Launch wizard. Click accounts and contacts. Here select add new and update existing record, that is upstart. Here you have to select check the box. You have to check this box update existing record account information. After that click the CSV file that I am doing the same process again and again. And save the file. Upstart. Save the file. Okay. Let's open this file. After that just click on next. Map the unmapped field. Active. Click on map. After that just click on next. Start import. Now you can see that core record is processed successfully. There is no error comes. So our new record which is nail. And let me just verify that our job description is updated or not using upsert operation. Details, go to the bottom. You can see that description is updated, and you can also verify that nail record is inserted as well simultaneously. Nail record is also inserted. So like that we can do all these operations using data import wizard. In my video give you some learning and something different from other, so you can subscribe my channel and get update. Like I am going to deliver all the related session Salesforce admin as well as the development part. So get touch with me. That's all for this video. Do like, subscribe, comment, and thank you.